The decision of choosing Cummins genset or engine will always make excellent business sense. The exceptional design, quality material, and meticulous workmanship go into every Cummins product. Every Cummins product comes with a standard warranty that covers failures under normal use and service which result from defects in Cummins material or factory workmanship. This gives a peace of mind and assurance of the product quality. The great news is that you can add an extra peace of mind to your Cummins pride of ownership by offering factory-backed extended warranty program, which is subject to the product or the model. Your generator or engine purchase is a long-term investment and you can count on this program to protect it. The Cummins Extended Warranty Program picks up where your standard factory warranty leaves off, extending this industry-leading protection. The advantages of the extended warranty include lowering your risk of unexpected failure costs beyond factory standard warranty, minimizing downtime with repairs completed by factory-trained technicians, and protection against rising parts, labor, and travel costs. It is backed by more than 100 years of experience through Cummins. It is supported by a global network of authorized Cummins service providers, and the warranty coverage is fully transferable with no additional costs. There is a variety of coverage terms and options to meet your needs. Most of Cummins products have an extended coverage of 2 to up to 5 years. What is included in your extended warranty? A repair of all failures resulting from defects in material, design, or workmanship, a standard base warranty coverage before the extended warranty coverage starts, a choice of coverage level, and immediate benefit of coverage. However, the extended warranty does not include scheduled maintenance nor repair of failures that result from misuse or due to improper application, installation, storage, or maintenance. The extended warranty coverage can be purchased from your local distributor or dealer at the time of generator purchase, before the base warranty expires, or within 1 year of base warranty expiration for qualified purchases. Thank you.